Imagine a bullet flying past your ear, and hearing it. It's creepy. That's exactly what happened to this Ukrainian fighter. So don't sleep on the front lines. Bullet of Russian sniper flew past. In the east, Wagner mercenaries needed 3 months to conquer the concrete plant in Bakhmut, and it in only 2 days to lose it again. This is visual confirmation that the plant was liberated within 48 hours after it was lost. Here Ukrainian defender shot down a Russian cruise missile with the GLA manpads.
Yes! 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 Да! Да, 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 да! Ёбаный насос!
After Russian Su-34 plane crashed near the Ukrainian border, now another Su-30 airplane crashed on a 2-story house in Irkutsk, Russia. It seems that Ukrainians doesn't have to do anything. The Russian Air Force is destroying itself. The Ukrainians are testing the good old US Hummer to its limits. Move along, nothing to see here, just a bunch of captured Russian tanks and BMPs.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.